Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Here is how to clean up storage on the Google Photos app. Desktop. Open the Storage Management tool. Then under Review and Delete, click any category. Now select the items you want to delete. Finally, click on Move to Trash Delete.
Let's help you make your mark.
Hover over your first photo and then click the checkmark that appears to select it. Grab the scroll bar on the right and go all the way down to your last photo. Holding down the Shift key, select the last photo in the bottom right. Click the trash can icon.
Let's help you make your mark.
Delete photos and videos. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Google Photos app. Sign in to your Google account. Tap and hold a photo or video you want to move to the trash. You can select multiple items. At the top, tap Delete.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Delete selected device copy photos from the device in the Photos menu. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Google Photos app. Select one or more photos that are on the device. At the top right, tap on the three dots menu icon. Select Delete Device Copy.
Let's help you make your mark.
Free up space on your Android device. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Google Photos app. Sign in to your Google account. Tap your account profile photo or initial. Free up space. You'll see how much space will be freed up. To see your photos and videos, go to photos.google.com or open the Google Photos app.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.